Hello, and this is my video for project 1 of CS50 of Flash web development. So I mean web development from with Python and JavaScript. So today I'm gonna show you my project 1. These are the files, and yeah, and let me just run it. Okay, so this is my home screen, and here you can register. As you can see, I can register here. Alright, and now I can even log in my page. So here it is, and just wait a sec, and yeah, here's all the book which I have set limit up to 50 because it's really take time to just load all 5,000 books. So yeah, and we can search over here. Wait, if I just and here search, and here are all the books of the same author. Here the book page with the book detail and with the author year, ISBN number, and the average rating and rating counts from the Goodreads. And here I can even say, yeah, I can even submit the ratings. It works. And wait, if I just go log out, I can still go and see the books, but I can't. Yeah, I can't. Wait a second, and yeah, but I can't register the ratings and review. Please log in first, and everything just work perfectly. Here's my home page and nothing else, just sign up, sign in, and book. And if I just go to my code, and these are the codes that these are the templates, static file, and there's nothing else, I guess, nothing more. Even so, I guess this is it. I made a way to register it, log in, and show all the books, not all the books, to like 1 to 50, and even open the book page and review it. These were the requirements for the project 1, and I guess everything's work. So thanks for watching this, and I'll meet in another video.